Now that you have enrolled yourself in the courses that you would like to monitor, you can now join any class and view their plans by going to the calendar. Once you click on the calendar, you will see a list of your starred courses. So make sure on the home page that the courses you enrolled yourself in that you wish to see are starred. But generally, when you enroll yourself, they're automatically starred unless you physically go in and unstar them yourselves. But it's never going to hurt anything for you to go back and check to make sure the courses you want to view are starred. After that, here on the schedule page or tab of the calendar, you will see if there's anything, any events that are scheduled or anything that is coming up for the students that are planned through the events calendar. When you click on this tab, you'll be able to see all the upcoming plans for your starred courses. So these are the starred courses that I have for this week. To come in and view all the resources and activities that are listed and click on any of these that's needed. And you also have the option to hit the arrow next to the name to go to the plan directly. In the plans tab of the calendar, there is an area for you to come in and search for a teacher's plan by their name. This will come most helpful if you already have a faculty course where the teachers are enrolled as students, because this only allows for you to search for students. So if you already have a faculty course where you invited the teachers in to send, then you can then come in and search for their name, because then they are listed as students in your course. So I'm going to search for a teacher's name who is a part of one of my faculty courses. And she's enrolled as a student, and I'm going to click enter, and her name pops up, and I'm able to see all of the date-based plans. So this is the ongoing plan that's running, so you will see the most current plan for the date that is listed above. Okay, so I see all of those plans. So this is the alternative way for you to see plans, and that is by searching by name up in this area for the view plan for, and then searching for the teachers who are already enrolled as a student in another course that you may host.